My stomach's growling, I'm sorry.
I am here stuff.
Thank you. It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna... okay. It's a birthday surprise. Is it? No, it's gonna be so great.
That did not sound like
This is gonna be the most lovable puppy you've ever met.
we're not.
No. It's a gate, Ellie. It's not a fence. It's not a cage. It's not.
We're not putting you in anything.
It's all
Trust
good.
me, you're gonna love it.
Blindfold. There's a lion there. I'm gonna be
There's
so
no lion.
upset.
There's
I'm
not.
so like that kind of surprise.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
you're gonna be okay.
We're overcoming your cancer.
I've been scared enough the past 2 years.
I know. This isn't gonna be scary. This is gonna be a blessing. You're gonna love it. I promise.
God, I hope it's like a koala. It's gonna be great. I'm nervous. It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay. Alright, where should we have her stand? She's gonna stand right here. That's perfect.
Oh my.
There you go. I'm gonna have you hold her coffee there.
What? I just need you to open your mouth. Like, just really quick. It's gonna be fine.
Open your
It's
mouth.
okay. You're gonna want to open your mouth.
You know,
Yeah.
my mouth is like a danger zone right now.
It's gonna be. You ready? Okay.
Are you putting a plant in my mouth? Like, what are you doing?
Try this one. Touch your chin with your finger.
Touch your chin with your
So,
finger.
there you go. Ozzie, come here.
Look, touch your chin with your finger.
Yeah, one step closer.
Who's Ozzie?
Alright, so tap your chin. Tap your chin.
Oh.
Oh my
Hold that right behind your back.
Behind your back.
gosh.
And now tap your chin.
What the heck?
Try this. Hold that one.
No, put that piece of lettuce in it.
Piece of lettuce? This piece of lettuce?
There you go. Perfect.
What did I just make
You
out of it?
Do you want to take off your blindfold now?
Yeah, take it off.
Take it
Go
off.
and zoom in.
Hi, Ozzie. Happy birthday!
You want to do it while you can see him now? So if you hold it with your left hand.
Oh, she's crying. Oh my god.
Happy birthday, friend. He's so precious.
Look at me, beautiful.
He's so precious.
He is so precious.
Yeah. What's not so loud? Happy birthday, friend.
Yeah.
Do you want to kiss that? Make out with the giraffe again? There you go. Oh, there's so much lover. Here you go. Oh. Oh. You kissed him. You kissed him.
Sorry, I was so scared to meet you. I should have loved you so much.
Yeah.